Gonna. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Carrie, aka Lascious Journey, and today we will be planting some stuff, some cruciferous vegetable. We have kale, broccoli, cauliflower, and a lot of goodies. Cabbage, all those are high nutrient dense food, and this is what I eat every day. So I try to stay in stock, keep everything going all throughout the year. It's February 4th, and this is what I'm growing in my garden. Also, I'm gonna show you guys my harvest, what I'm harvesting today for dinner and every day, and all the garden looks. So this is a raised bed I have back here, and I sow all my seeds back here, then I transplant them out. And this is how simple it is. You just get your seed, sprinkle it on top of the raised bed, just like that. And then you'll have food coming up everywhere. This is how I do it. I keep everything simple, nothing complicated. I just sprinkle my seeds on top. Then I go ahead and I sprinkle the soil on top, some potting soil or compost, and the seeds gonna germinate in about a week, and we can continue taking care of it. Then I will transplant it out. So this is a potting soil that I bought at Walmart or Home Depot, I believe, one of those stores. So that's what I do, just sprinkle the seeds and cover them up. If you see in this bed, we have bok choy. In this bed we have blueberries, cabbage, collard green. I have some kale also in here. I have some mustard greens. So this is just my seed sowing bed. Then as soon as they get up, we transplant them out in other places around the yard. So those are my broccoli. And how we do it, I just put the bag like that, put it over a marker so we'll know what's there or what's coming up, just so we know, keep track of what I'm planting. So yeah, it's very easy. If you guys want to start a garden, it is not hard. It's very simple and easy. If you guys live in, I live in Florida, so it's easy for me to have food all year round because it's February, and as you see, the garden is still green and lush. That's the beauty of living in this climate. Here we have some cabbage. We're gonna put some cabbage in also. It was like a half a pack of cabbage. We just cover it over so the birds don't come and pick out my seeds, because we have a lot of birds around here. And this bed, sometimes I keep it covered. I just put a net over it just when it gets extremely cold. I think those cabbage said 65 days. Those are some blueberries. Blueberries doing good in the cold. These are some kale. I think they're Egyptian kale over there. Those are some mustard. I sprinkled a bag of mustard over there not too long ago. And those are mustard. I need to transplant them out, but probably do that this coming week. Also, I'm gonna add some kale right in that little patch right there. There's some weeds in here also, and there's a big old callaloo stem. This callaloo, we eat so much from this callaloo, but it's over. So we're gonna get that out and put some kale down. We're gonna cover that, and then we just sprinkle some water on top after I sprinkle the potting soil over it, or the topsoil. And then we just get those water in real good. And before you know it, we'll have a bed full of seedlings ready for transplant by March. And we get going. So we'll have a lot of spring vegetable going into summer. So this is how we keep our garden going all year round. So These are some broccoli I'm sowing also. We adding some broccoli to it. Or cauliflower. Those are some cauliflower. I did plant some broccoli also off camera. And I did plant some parsley this morning and some sorrel. These are some of my cabbage. I just plant them around the yard. They're just everywhere throughout my yard. It's just food everywhere. So the yard it's like a grocery store. No pesticide, no herbicide, no fungicide. It's all organic or natural. You know, the food tastes different. Lots of flavor. And you can tell it shows. I just go out there yesterday evening and just eat my dinner from the garden. I had 2 kale leaves and stuff like that. Also, these are some collards and broccoli. These are my broccoli. I eat from them daily. Also, I did go ahead and plant some. And what I noticed with the broccoli, I wanted to ask you guys, please comment down below. Once you cut the broccoli off the top, can you see those little ones coming up on the side? So we have a next set of broccoli. Let me know, farmers. Let me know. Please comment down below. So we just harvested that one for dinner today. I did that one a couple days ago. So we harvesting a lot of broccoli right now. Yesterday after the Sabbath was over, I did go ahead last night and planted some onions. So I have yellow onions, I have red onions in here. I also have some white onions. So over here is my onion beds. So as you see, those are onions. I just planted my onions. I don't know if it's too late, but we'll see. I'll let you guys know how the onion go. And those are collard. You know, collard go for like 2-3 years. You'll have collard. And this is blueberry. Everything coming in all at once. We have blueberry. I did harvest some blueberries last week. Not much, but the birds are tackling my blueberries. So this blueberry bushes, it is loaded with blueberries. So I did make a cage for the blueberries. I'm going to put them in today. My husband did it. So we're going to put them in. Those are ripe blueberries I need to harvest because the birds are wonderful. So this is today's harvest. My daughter, she is harvesting stuff from the garden for dinner. I think she said she was going to make some juice. And these are mint, broccoli, kale, bok choy, collard, mustard green. Just a little bit of everything from the garden. The food tastes so much better when you grow it and you put all that love into your garden. It's a blessing. It's a blessing to grow your own food. So over here, these are Cersei. My Cersei dried down. I don't know why, because it's so cold. We're going to get some oregano. So oregano, she's going to harvest some oregano. But as always, guys, thank you guys for watching. I will see you on the next video. Peace. God bless you all and